Welcome to the National Italian American Foundation's 47th Anniversary Gala, a celebration of Tuscany and its Luminaria Festival.
It's a great night to be an Italian American.
This is the event that really unites the entire Italian American community across the country. We literally have people from dozens of states and over 200 people joining us from Italy.
È davvero un piacere, an honor for me to be here. I have a little surprise for you.
I am very pleased to participate in the 47th Gala Awards of NIAF just a few days after my appointment as Prime Minister of Italy.
The mission of NIAF is as important today as it was when we were founded in 1975. At the end of the day, what is the relevance of NIAF? It's helping to maintain and promote our Italian-American heritage here in the United States, and also to be this bridge between the United States and Italy. And of course, as we look at the world today, Italy is one of the United States' most important allies.
My time as Secretary of State was such a privilege to get to meet more Italian Americans, to travel to Italy, to do important work on behalf of business partners, diplomatic partners, military partners, a great alliance, and really important friends to our country that keeps the American people safe. I had two choices. I could go test drive Ferraris on the track or go see my home village, and Susan said, you can always drive a Ferrari. It was an incredible blessing to go see this place where my family hailed from.
Tuscany, as you know, is the birthplace of the Renaissance, that great rebirth of learning where Italy led the way in the arts and sciences. And today, the National Italian American Foundation is also undergoing a renaissance of sorts. We are certainly experiencing a rebirth of support, as evidenced by your presence here this evening.
Buonasera dalla Toscana. I would like to say a big thank you for my friend of NIAF for this wonderful moment that every year celebrates the Italian region of honor. This year, why Tuscany? Tuscany is by definition a region of culture. Viva l'Italia, la Toscana, gli Stati Uniti d'America.
Since Roman times, the Italians have done it better, right? You know, great design is about creativity, ingenuity. It brings joy, and if we do it right, it inspires a new generation to be more creative and more innovative than us.
Education and charity are indeed key facets of our mission, but at its core, NIAF is about celebrating and perpetuating all that is good in the Italian culture. Culture is obviously manifested most tangibly in the incredible array of made-in-Italy products that showcase the country's extraordinary values, those of creativity, innovation, heritage, passion, style, and diversity.
Italy is simply extraordinary. Be it.
Italy is simply extraordinary, be it the culture, the passion of the people, the diversity of food and wine, and especially family.
Italy is simply extraordinary.
Italy is simply extraordinary, be it.
I am so honored to inspire so many people to make Italian food. And I hope that all of you have enjoyed tonight's dinner. It's really hard to cook for 800 people, I'm just gonna say.
I think we need to strengthen and really
do our best of trying to connect the new Italians that are coming in North America and the old generation of Italians American that maybe has lost some connection with what Italy is today.